We're going to explore the topic of humanity's understanding of genetics and also how species go extinct. Before the mid-19th century, the consensus was that sexual reproduction produced offspring that had a blend of different characteristics. This view has changed over time up to the modern day. So let's look at the mid-19th century. At this point, Gregor Mendel, who was an Austrian monk, was performing breeding experiments on pea plants. This work showed that the characteristics were determined by inherited units which were passed from parents. In the late 19th century, the first observation of how chromosomes behave during cell division was seen. And by the earliest 20th century, the similarity between the behavior of chromosomes and what Mendel had called units was recognized. Consequently, it was decided that these units were located on chromosomes, and the units were renamed genes. In the mid-20th century, technological advancements allowed scientists to work out the structure of DNA, and also the mechanism by which genes operate was also unearthed at this time. So Gregor Mendel studied pea plants and looked at units. And these units are similar to chromosomes, and they are basically genes, but he didn't know the name for that at that time. What is an extinction? An extinction happens when there are no individuals of a species left in the world. A change in abiotic, which is the physical environment, or the biotic, which relates to organisms, factors, can cause an extinction if a species cannot adapt or move to another environment. And these extinctions can be slow or they can be rapid. So how do slow extinctions happen? Geological and atmospheric changes happen over a longer period of time, and these can cause slower extinctions. Sometimes abiotic, so physical factors, can change rapidly to cause extinctions. Large volcanic eruptions can cause the carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere. They can also block light and cause pH changes in soils. A meteorite or asteroid impact, like the one around the time of the dinosaurs, would have had a similar but larger effect to a volcanic eruption. So let's have a recap of the factors causing extinction, with extinctions occurring when there are no remaining individuals of a species. So extinctions could be caused by biotic factors, for example, a disease, or they could be caused by physical factors, such as volcanic eruptions or atmospheric changes.